Welcome back. In this next section, we'll address another serious computer security issue. This next one is from malicious software, or malware, as it's sometimes called. Malware is a broad category of software which can cause serious harm to your computer. One example of malware is Trojans. A Trojan is software that runs on your computer which allows someone else to connect to your computer and spy on you using your own computer. Using a Trojan installed on your computer, somebody can access all of your files, view your computer screen, log your keystrokes, or have your computer join a botnet so it can send out spam emails. Modern antivirus software can catch a lot of malware. However, there are products which can detect and remove malware installed on your computer. In this next section, we'll be installing some software which can scan your computer looking for possible infections.
We will now discuss malware. Malware is short for malicious software. Malware includes adware, spyware, Trojans, and rootkits. Malware is software that runs on your machine without your permission or knowledge. It can allow others to record your keystrokes, look at your files, operate video cameras or webcams. They can basically do whatever they want on your machine. It will slow down your computer. And another recent thing that's been happening is your computer will join a botnet. These botnets can do a lot of different things, such as sending out spam and harboring files for these people. How does malware spread? Running software that's been infected, worms can actually infect other computers across the networks and through removable media. How can you prevent malware? Well, anti-malware software can actually detect and remove any kind of malware. Not executing software from an unknown source, having the latest update or patches installed, or having a firewall. What are some of the components of anti-malware? Well, they're very similar to antivirus. There's a scanner, there's a signature file, and usually a scheduler. Here are some popular anti-malware products. We'll be actually installing the top two here, adware for internet security, and Spybot seek and destroy, or search and destroy. Adware free internet security. It has a very fast scanner. It actually has an antivirus engine. It has a real-time anti-malware protection. It has rootkit detection. Rootkits are tools that a hacker can use to try to get full access to your computer. And current updates. It's currently being updated. One of the easiest ways to get the software is just go to download.com and search for adware. Here's the results. You can see 359 million people have downloaded it. It's very popular software. Just click on download now. And just choose to run the software. And this is the first screen you'll see. It'll begin setting up. It'll ask you what language. And it's just a welcome screen and a license read through. You have to agree and then go next. This software comes bundled with Google Chrome. If you want to install it, click here. I didn't, so I didn't click it. This is just a confirmed installation. Click install. It'll begin to install. After it's installed, your computer will need to be restarted. It will actually try to update itself before it reboots, just so you have the latest signature files when it comes back, and I'll also update any software changes. On the first screen, there's a license screen. Since it is free, we don't need a license. Just click on close. And this is the main screen. To do an update, just click here on the web update. It's better. It's best just to make sure just do an update each time before you do a scan. Make sure you have the latest software and signature file. So this is the update, and next we'll just do a scan. So click on the scan button, and it'll begin to scan. If it finds any issues, just select the issues and say fix issues. And that's basically it. There's not much more to the software than that. Next, we're going to look at SpyBot Seek and Destroy, or Search and Destroy. The software can detect over 1,000 different types of malware. It too has anti-rootkit functionality, and it has a T-timer. T-timer is a application that runs and looks at other running applications to see if they are malware of some kind. It's easy to download if you just go to downloads.com. SpyBot Seek and Destroy. You can see it here. Just click on Download Now and click on Run. And this is the startup of it. Select language. It's just a welcome screen. Click Next. Read through. Agree to the agreement. Select destination location. Select what components. I pretty much left it as is. Click Next. And your folder name, additional tags. I believe I additionally added the T-timer. Click Next. This is just a review of your install. It'll begin installing. Once it's done, you can choose to run it. I did. Hit finish. The first time you start up, it will do a couple of additional things. It will detect our previous install of adware. It likes to know about other malware tools. It's also, the first time, it does create a backup of your registry. It allows you to do an update. Just select whatever is the nearest location to you or any of these. Click Continue. It'll go and grab the latest files or signature files. And this is the main screen. All we have to do here is actually click on Check for Problems. Once we do that, it'll actually start scanning. And down at the bottom, you can see a status of all the different bot checks that it's doing, or malware checks that it's doing. And that's pretty much that. If it discovers anything, it gives you options to remove or fix the issue. Just to review, antivirus software isn't enough. You also need to have some kind of anti-malware software. Try to scan it often. These tools were free and they didn't have any kind of schedule features built into them. I believe the paid versions do. However, these versions did not, so we didn't go through that. But try to do them often. I try to do at least once a week. And that's it.